Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who loves smart, innovative, and high-performing gadgets that make everyday life easier and cooler, you're going to love what we've got today. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 7. KAWA Mini Pro. Meet the compact powerhouse for your car, the KAWA Mini Pro Dashcam. With stunning 2K resolution and advanced H.265 encoding, you'll capture every road detail with razor-sharp clarity while saving up to 50% of your storage space. The built-in voice control feature lets you operate it hands-free, and with WDR technology, your footage stays crystal clear, even in challenging lighting. Equipped with a supercapacitor, it's reliable in extreme weather, from freezing cold to scorching heat. Plus, its 24/7 parking surveillance and G-sensor ensure round-the-clock security for your car. Control it all easily with Wi-Fi and the dedicated app. A perfect blend of innovation and safety. Number 6. Worx WX255.4. This smart gun-style cordless screwdriver is every DIY lover's dream tool. The Worx WX255.4 comes with a built-in 1500 mAh battery and 3 Nm torque, making it ideal for quick fixes and detailed work. The 1/4-inch hex collet allows you to swap bits easily, while the compact 0.5 kg design ensures fatigue-free handling. Its USB charging system takes just 3 hours, and the intuitive grip gives you total control for precision tasks. Whether it's furniture assembly or light repairs, this is the screwdriver that makes home projects fun, fast, and frustration-free. Number 5. Aulumu A02 Band. Style meets performance with the Aulumu A02 Sports Band. Crafted from premium fluoroelastomer, this strap is soft, waterproof, and extremely durable. The unique internal ventilation holes keep your wrist cool during workouts, while the asymmetrical design adds a modern, fashionable touch. Compatible with multiple Apple Watch models, it's built for comfort and resilience. Lightweight at only 35 grams. This band is perfect for fitness, daily wear, or a sleek, professional look. Number 4. Baseus GoTrip VA1. Say goodbye to flat tires and stress with the Baseus GoTrip VA1 Pro Max air compressor. Featuring a 100-watt high-speed motor, it can inflate your car tire from flat to full in just 4 minutes. That's speed and power in your palm. The 7500 mAh battery supports up to 6 tire inflations on a single charge. With 5 smart preset modes, you can switch between car, motorcycle, bike, ball, or custom with one touch. The built-in LED emergency light with flashlight, SOS, and strobe modes ensures safety on the road. Compact, portable, and efficient, this mini inflator is your perfect travel partner. Number 3. Wyze Cam Pan. Keep an eye on everything with the Wyze Cam Pan V3. This full HD 1080p pan and tilt camera delivers crystal clear footage both day and night. Thanks to its 360 degrees horizontal and 180 degrees vertical range, you'll never miss a moment. The color night vision and smooth whisper quiet motion tracking follow movement automatically, whether it's your pet, baby, or unexpected visitor. Plus, its IP65 rating means it's weather resistant for indoor and outdoor use. With two-way audio, you can see, hear, and talk through the Wyze app in real time. Reliable, smart, and simple. It's peace of mind in one camera. Number 2. Ulanzi BP10 Bag. Designed for creators on the go, the Ulanzi BP10 35-liter photography backpack is built to carry it all. Featuring a massive 35-liter capacity with customizable dividers, it holds your cameras, lenses, drones, and accessories with ease. The dual zippers and quick access design let you grab your gear instantly, while triple protection, including splash-proof fabric and a reinforced base, keeps your equipment safe. The ergonomic straps and breathable back panel provide all-day comfort, making it ideal for travel, hiking, or city photography. Function meets durability in this ultimate camera bag. Number 1. SHARGE Pouch OnePlus. Revolutionizing portable charging, the SHARGE Pouch OnePlus is a sleek 3-in-1 solution combining a power bank, charger, and cable into one compact device. With a stunning modular design, it eliminates clutter and delivers 55 watts Super VOC and 40 watts PD fast charging for Oppo, OnePlus, and Samsung devices. Lightweight yet powerful, this 1000 mAh power bank ensures your gadgets stay charged wherever you go. Elegant, efficient, and effortlessly portable, it's the all-in-one travel charging companion you've been waiting for. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.